Hi friends, it's Katie Ledoux Gilbert, Team Kate & Co. of Keller Williams. And today I am fortunate enough to be at an open house in Grantham. I am at 949 Dunbar Hill Road in Grantham, New Hampshire. So if you are in the area, please stop by and see me. We have a wonderful open house going on today, and I'll give you a couple of snapshots of what is happening here. Certainly need to come by and have a mimosa with me and a snack, and to see this absolutely stunning family home. It really is an oasis out here. You have a pond in the backyard. This is in Grantham, and it's not considered an Eastman. You've got just great outdoor spaces. This hallway here leads over to a second garage, an office. Would make for a really nice at-home business type of a space. It's a massive garage, could hold a camper. And then there's an apartment above that as well with its own separate entry. It's got a deck. So hi Larry, just wanted to give you a little sneak peek about this and make sure that you are aware. This is listed for $1.1 million. It has more bedroom spaces than you could possibly imagine. It is a 5-bedroom septic. They just barely upgraded to that. So there is endless possibilities for having guests and having the whole family be home. You'll certainly not be disappointed. And it's such a nice open concept, great for entertaining. You have whole house AC, very warm today. So really, that's very helpful because I just stepped outside and was quite surprised at how warm it was. You have 3 bedrooms plus a primary suite on the second level, and then there is a third level finished attic space, which is a bedroom and office, and also has a half bath. And then in the finished basement, you have a workout space and a wine room, and there's a little hidden space down there, which is great for storing guns, etc. So, hi, Judy. Anyway, so just lots of fantastic spaces. So I wanted to make sure that I came live and said hi to you all. And it's been super busy for me. Terrible excuse for me not to be live in front of you, but here I am. And I definitely wanted to keep you in the know about 949 Dunbar Hill Road here in Grantham. So if you have any questions, you can give me a call at 802-299-7522. You can certainly email me as well at kate@kateandco.realestate. So anyways, this is your Kate & Co. Keeping You in the Know segment on Saturday, May 21st. Just wanted to say to all of the high school students that are headed out to proms, I know that my son and his friends are at the winter prom tonight, and I'm pretty sure Hartford prom is this evening as well, and any of the other Upper Valley towns that are doing their prom. Be safe, have fun. These are the memories that will last a lifetime, so when I finish up here, I'll be headed out and over there to watch Windsor's Grand March, see my son all dressed up and sweating, I'm sure. I'm sure he's complaining about it already. So anyways, I hope everybody has a fantastic Saturday. Make sure you reach out if you have questions. Hi, Jamie. And please share the video to let everybody know what a great house is here in Grantham. Take care. See y'all soon.